Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from a binary tree, which is called find the diameter of a binary tree. Okay, so you would be given one binary tree, something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you need to find, and let's say here it is 8. So what will be your diameter here? Your diameter would be this one: 4, 3, 1, and 5, 6, 8. So this is the diameter is basically longest path between two nodes. Okay, and it is not required that root should be included or excluded. Okay, so root can be there or cannot be there. Whatever longest path between two nodes is exist in the tree, that will be your diameter. So to find the diameter, what you do, you find the first height of the left subtree and right subtree. Okay, and then you add that height of the left subtree, right subtree plus 1. So that is how you will find the diameter. Okay, and how you will find the height? So height you will find for particular node, the height will be maximum of left or right. Okay, and plus 1. So now let's dry run this question. Okay, so see, you are calling this height root. Okay, so first your function height root will get called, root is 1. Okay, and then what is happening here, it is checking if the node is equal to null. No, it is not null. Okay, so it will run left height equal to height. For what it will run? Node ka left is 2. Okay, now we will come here later. Let's see what is happening in height 2. Okay, so height 2, when root is 2, okay, that time LH equal to height, for which node it will run? 2 ka left. So this is 3. So for 3 it will run. Again, let's check what is happening in 3. So height 3 equal to LH equal to, okay, height 4. And in 4 what is happening? So in height 4, LH equal to height, for what? For which node it will run? 4 ka left, which is null. So for null it will run. Okay, but you know, if it is null, when you run this for height null, that time node is equal to null, so it will return 0. So 0 will come here. Okay, so same RH equal to 0 you will get 0 there also. Okay, because height of node ka right, so node ka right is also null, so you will get 0 there. Now what will be your diameter? Diameter will be max diameter or left plus right. So left plus right is 0 and diameter is already 0, so 0 only. Okay, and what will be the height of this height 4? This one will be 1 plus maximum of left or right, so that is 0 only. Okay, so you will get 1 here. Now let me remove this function and let's check the next statement. So after left height you will run this right height equal to height, for which node it will run? See, your root node is 3, so 3 ka right is null only, right? So you will get anyway 0 here. So what will be your diameter now? Diameter will be maximum value of left plus right or diameter. Diameter already it is 0 and left plus right is 1 plus 0 is 1. So now diameter will become 1. And what will be your height? You will return from here 1 plus maximum of left or right. It is 1. Okay, here left height is 1, right? So it will return 2. So for 3 you will get 2. Okay, now let me remove this one and let's check what is next. So after left height of height 3, you have next statement right height. Okay, this one right height equal to height of node dot right. So height of, what is your node? Node is 2, so 2 ka right is null. Okay, so you will again get 0 from here. So what will be your diameter now? Maximum value of left plus right or diameter, so you will get 2 here. Okay, and then you will return height 1 plus, what is left plus right? So left is 2, so it will be 3. So you will get for height 2 you will get answer 3. Okay, now same check for next statement here. Right height equal to 1 ka right is here 5. Okay, so it will run function for height 5. Okay, let's check what is there in height 5. So height 5 is LH equal to 5 ka left. Okay, so it will be height 6. Okay, this is 5, this is 6, this is 8. So now let's see what is there in height 6. Height 6 is LH equal to height root ka left, it is 8. Okay, and what is there in 8? So height 8 equal to LH equal to height null. So null will return 0. Okay, and same for RH also, you will get 0. Diameter will be the same one only. Okay, because left and right is 0 0. And it will return 1 plus left, maximum of left or right, so 0 0, so 1, it will return 1, so you will get 1 here. Okay, let me remove this one. Now what is next? Next is RH equal to height of what? 6 ka right. What is 6 ka right? It is null only. Okay, so you will get 0 from here. So diameter will be, you already have diameter of how much we found the diameter. It was something, I think we found it 3 or something, right? 4, I guess. Okay, anyways, so right now, but it is not greater, so it will be so you will not override diameter, and then height will be 1 plus maximum of left or right, so 1, so you will get 2 here. Okay, now after getting 2, you will run for next statement. So RH equal to node ka right, so node is 5, so 5 ka right is 7, so it will run height 7. Okay, now what is height 7 will return you? It will return you 1 on the right, so you'll get 1 from here. So your diameter will be math.max diameter or left plus right. So left plus right is 3, and the diameter you were already getting was what was it? I think it was greater than 3 or 3, so it will not get changed. Okay, and it will return you 1 plus maximum of left or right. So left is 2, so it will return you 3. So from here you got 3. Okay, for height 5, the answer you got 3. Now check for this final one. Okay, you are getting left height is 3, right height is 3. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, then what will be the diameter? Diameter will be left plus right is 6 is greater, so 6 will get replaced definitely. Okay, and it will return height 1 plus left or right ka maximum, so 4. Okay, so then at the end you will return diameter, so diameter is 6. So this one will be your answer. That's it. Thank you.